So, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on how to maintain and lubricate and add longevity to your aperture seals, your door seals on your vehicle. So less talking, more action, let's get started. So if you look, you have to excuse all this, I need to give it a good clean. Look how dried out the seal looks. The pop top seal isn't too bad because it's only been on since last summer, so it's only done one winter. But obviously the rest of them, they've all done the full length and the age of the car. But what you're looking to do is you're looking to keep them a darker black, which is holding more lubricant, more silicone. And if you look at the difference, this one was quite new before I went away, and then obviously this is not treated at all. You can take them off, and if they're like this, what I'm going to do with this, because I'm about to take this off because obviously I'm just about to start the carpet. But you can take them off, which is what I'm going to do, and get a bucket and sponge, wash all the seal like you would be washing the vehicle, wash all the body panels around it, and then treat it off, and then refit it, and then just finish it off. I mean, these aren't the best seals. I will get new ones eventually, but for the purpose of this video I thought I would show you. And what this does, not only does it give a bit of moisture, a bit of silicone into the seal itself, making it a darker, nicer, blacker colour, but also it kind of re-energises the rubber, gives it more flexibility, and allows it to seal and compress nicer on the areas that it touches the body and meets the body, i.e. where it makes the seal, the waterproof, the weather tight seal, to keep the weather out, to keep the water out. If it's dry, just think about it, it's just, you know, there's no flexibility. Instead of it being, you know, quite a nice lubricated seal, quite moist, allowing it to follow the shape of the body a bit better and seal a little bit nicer. Okay, so for this I'm going to be using WD-40. This is a specialist high performance silicone lubricant. You can use normal WD-40 or other means of lubricants, silicone based stuff, but the normal WD-40, this stuff, I don't find it as effective as this stuff. This is more specialised, and to apply it I've just bought a sponge, £1, and then I've just cut the corner off, and I'm going to spray that into the sponge and run it round. You can use a cloth, or you could use tissue, etc, etc. However, don't spray it, especially with this type of nozzle, don't spray it directly onto the seal because you will hit. Don't ever spray it directly onto the seal like that, because you're going to hit the seal and it's going to go everywhere, all over your panels, especially if you plan on doing something like gluing onto these eventually. I've just scotched all this up at the moment because I'm getting ready for the carpet, but you'll then put a silicone onto that panel and it will definitely compromise the adhesion with the spray glue and the carpet. So don't do that. So this is going to be extremely difficult one-handed, but shake your can up, spray it onto your sponge, cloth, tissue, whatever your method will be, and then simply, because of the difference, look, can you see the difference? Just put a nice even coat all the way around like this. Good thing about this method, not only do you not get any overspray or any bounce back, but also I can go to there and do into that seal still with not touching any of the body or any unnecessary parts. But look at the difference. This is how you want your door seals to look, a darkened black. So obviously you've got the full door closure seals, and if you've got a pop top, you've got a pop top seal. You've got seals under your bonnet if you've added those. You've got extra secondary door seals, which I added before. The video will be up above now, or I'll put the link to that video below. You want to keep them like this. I recommend doing this twice a year. I would do it at the end of winter, beginning of summer, or at the end of summer, beginning of winter, whichever way round. But that's how I do it. I do it about May time, and I do it around September. So give and take, how it works for you, what part of the world you live in, what weather pattern that you guys live to. But that's how I do it. I mean, excuse the mess, but I didn't do it on this because I was busy, and because this is south facing, just being outside for 2 summers, that's what happened. I'm not sure if you can see that, but these seals was like new. These was original factory seals, as good as new in a sense, and because the sun has just hammered them, it completely dried them out, took the moisture out of them and cracked them. I've now got to get a full seal kit for this vehicle just because I didn't do what I'm explaining to you guys to do now, and didn't practice what I preach. My mistakes, my lesson learned. So that's why I'm sharing it with you, to help you and to let you avoid, or to help you avoid this happening. So that's the end of this one, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming back, and I'll see you in the next one.